All right, good evening. Tonight we are going to be troubleshooting an issue with my error page. And the issue is that it doesn't work or render at all. So, yeah, either really complicated issue or really simple issue, guaranteed. We're going to start at the source, or what is probably the source, which is this. And the error element here just isn't rendering for some reason. And let me drag over the site so I can actually show you what's happening. So we can go to the site, we access the site, and it all works fine. But if we go and force an error to occur, the error boundary doesn't actually render, which is not correct. I'm not sure why it's not rendering. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna take a look at that. I believe. Let me take a look at root boundary, but I believe root boundary should not look like that. Yeah, and yeah, this is what the error boundary should look like. It's nothing fancy, but it's just yeah, it's not that. So it's really now just a matter of figuring out why it's not rendering. I'm guessing that it's probably going to be something stupid to do with React Router DOM, because React Router DOM is just a pain sometimes. It's not documented that well. So, well, it is, but anyways. Um, what I'm gonna do just to start is probably look at the documentation. Uh, 'Cause again, I'm sure it's something that I just don't completely understand. Okay, so the error element, I can look at the actual documentation. Okay, so when exception are thrown in loaders, actions, or component rendering, like that, the error path will be rendered. Awesome. The error made available with use route error, and I use that right there. Uh, when a root does not have an error element, it'll bubble up through parent routes, and yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Again, I just don't know why exactly it's not working. I don't know if I manually need to throw an error, because that would be annoying, but that would be very, very surprising, to be frank. Um, so I'm probably gonna yeah, probably gonna try and figure out why the element itself isn't being called. Because there's no way it's just there's no way that the error element works only for certain what do I call it, certain status codes. That'd be very weird. Next we'll start with Stack Overflow, as I always do. Not rendering on 404 React. Um, is it working for me? No, okay, that's not. I didn't read the title of it, did I? Anywhere besides toggle not rendering. There are no matching routes, so there's no matched. Oh, hold on. I think I might just figure out what I need to do. I think I need to not edit, add a just blank route here. So, in other words, everything else wildcard route. And let me try this again. Let's see. Okay, so that just renders nothing. Well, actually, okay. Can this might be hacky and not the intended method, but I want to see. Can I basically throw new response? Can I just manually throw a 404? I'm not sure, but that might be the case. Okay. Let me read through this first. Just to clarify, then it sounds like a path is matched. It doesn't start the bubble up from there, but only bubbles up if an exact match of path is found. Okay, that would make sense. If you go to there, and you will render error element 1. Yeah, and that makes sense. First we handle for server routes, you use a splat route, child through. Yeah, okay, that's just what I was about to do. Thank you. All right, let me look how I need to do that. I don't know if I need to throw a new error or hold on. I think I should to throw a new error. I'm not sure though. Throw new error. Um, page not found. Well, let's try that. This might have been like a really simple fix. Oh, okay. That looks like it. Let's see if I can add like a status code to that though, because it's kind of ugly right now. So, yeah. Oh, you know what I can do? I can just do this. Okay, let me slide this over to my second monitor, and it looks like I can just throw uh JSON something. I'm not sure. JSON from React or DOM. Um, in this case, I can make, let's see how we can do this. I can make the status equal to 404, and I can add the error data. I can make that, I should just be able to make that. Oh, yeah, actually, I don't have to do anything fancy here. I can just do, page not found. What am I doing wrong? Oh, yeah, I need, do this. There we go. Okay, let's see where we're getting with that. I need to bring this back over. Okay, let's see. HTTP 404 page not found. The only thing that I'm not sure why it's not working. Oh, that's just because I don't have any text in here. And let me just so I can be fancy. Let me add a little italics in there, and there we go. Cool. And then it takes us back to the feed page. So yeah, that's nice. Hold on, let me text my dad back real quick. Uh, okay, so now we are actually done with that. I was not expecting to finish that so quickly. I feel like we're actually getting close to deployment, even though I say that like every single time, you know. Uh, so that closes this issue. So just commit the issue. Uh, closes number 88. And now I'm just going to start going through my site and looking at accessibility stuff and stuff for SEO. But I probably won't do that for too long because a lot of this is going to be me going to MDN and then, yeah, really just going from there. So actually, yeah, let's just double check this first. Oh, I also need to do a bit of UI touch up here because it's a little bit because it's a tiny bit ugly. So we'll fix that at some point. Yeah, add an image in, which is great, but I don't know. I don't know if I can actually let me just find like a random like GIF. Can I just no, not copy. Okay. Oh, here, I'll just copy an image link of Imgur. I always use Imgur for this, and then sometimes you just can't find a single thing. Anyways, what I should be able to do is I should just, this is my title. I should be able to find a thumbnail and let's go down here and just, yeah, we'll just take a picture of my work for my IT class. Okay, there. Okay, firstly, why is that not rendering? I might be glad that I checked this, because that should just render, unless I pasted that in the wrong spot, which is very possible. It is very possible. That is what happened. Yes, let me take that back there. Okay, so now I think I can just do, this is my alt text, and then I can check the, oh no, I can check the preview because I have that now. Why is that like, my God. Hold on, let me just try to take this out real quick. That is, oh, okay, that's just styling again. Okay. I do need to change that at some point, but I will do that some other time. Okay. Now that I've done that, is that not updating? Oh geez, did I just find some like really stupid issue that I haven't stumbled upon yet? Possibly. Um, oh, did not save? Hold on. So if it didn't save, we definitely need to figure that out. Okay, so that's the new thing. And then parentheses, say hi. Not open that. And then that definitely works. That's awesome. Yeah, okay, so that's not saving. So that is a definitely a bug. So let me go back to dashboard. This is my new title. Save. Oh, yep, 400. Okay, the submit data. Oh, I know. Okay. I don't know exactly what I'm doing here, but I've gotten this issue before. So the best course of action here is going to be just to start with how I am saving the data. And I think, because I do this like well, not all the time, I've done it twice now, where I just mess up somewhere and I don't save the data correctly. So yeah, I need to go down there and figure out what exactly the issue is, because it could be something on the front end with how I'm handling the image itself, or it could be something on the back end with how I'm handling, well, again, the image itself. But for now, because this will take me probably the next 2 hours just to figure out the source of it, because there's so much going on here, I'm going to end the video. So I know, short video tonight, but if you have watched for this long, thank you very much, and I will see you later.